Hello and welcome to Getting Started with Amazon EMR. My name is Saurabh Bhutiani and I'm a Senior Big Data Specialist Solutions Architect at AWS focused on Amazon EMR. In this session, I'm going to walk through Amazon EMR runtime for Apache Spark. Amazon EMR runtime for Apache Spark is a performance optimized runtime environment for Apache Spark, available and turned on by default on Amazon EMR clusters from EMR version 528 onwards. It provides the best performance. To measure improvements, we compared EMR version 516, which has open source Apache Spark version 2.4, with EMR version 528 with EMR runtime for Apache Spark, which is compatible with the open source Apache Spark version 2.4. We used TPC DS benchmark queries with 3 TB scale and ran them on a 6-node EMR cluster with data in Amazon S3. When you add up the execution time of 104 queries from TPC DS, we observed a 2.6 times faster performance of the Spark runtime versus EMR running Spark without the runtime. When comparing this runtime versus other third-party managed Spark offerings running their runtime technologies, we were 1.6 times faster. This makes Spark on EMR the fastest Spark offering available. We also offer our Spark solution at the lowest price. Compared with the third-party managed Spark offering, we would run at 1/10 the cost for those 104 queries. This means EMR provides the best performance at the lowest cost. Amazon EMR runtime for Spark has 100% API compatibility with open source Spark. This means that your workloads run faster, saving you compute costs without making any changes to your applications. Based on these charts, you can see the total runtime of TPC DS queries, and you can see that it's reduced by 2.5 times when compared to the version without the runtime, and the geometric mean has reduced by 2.4 times. So just by upgrading to EMR version 528 and above, you can take advantage of the improvements, which will lead to lower runtime of workloads, translating to lower costs for running your Spark applications. We have seen an average of 5 times speed up on long running queries. Long running queries are any queries taking north of 130 seconds in EMR 516. If we look at this chart, we have the speed up on y-axis and query number from TPC DS benchmark on the x-axis, and we can see an average of 5 times improvement for long running queries and speed up of up to 32 times for some queries as seen in query 72. We also see 2 times improvements for short running queries. Short running queries are queries running for less than 130 seconds. These are still running on 3 TB of data with TPC DS dataset. The higher numbers seen on this graph show the better runtime performance of the queries. Essentially, queries running for less than 130 seconds are up to 6 times faster as seen from query number 20, with an average improvement of 2 times faster across the board. All of these improvements are coming from different areas like configuration changes, changes to query planning and execution, and job startup improvements. What we learned with running short running queries is that Spark Dynamic Executor needs to figure out how many executors to run before even the job starts. And if you are running short running queries, it can impact the variance on your job runtime performance. What we have done is we have added a new technique that eagerly allocates workers before the job starts. On the x-axis, you can see the job runtime in seconds, while on y-axis, the performance improvements. All of these improvements are available by default. You don't need to do anything but just upgrade to a newer version of EMR, version 528 or higher, to get these improvements. There are other improvements which are part of the EMR runtime, and one of them is dynamic partition pruning. As part of dynamic partition pruning, we are reducing the amount of data that we are reading based on intelligent pruning on large tables, and you can see that it adds significant performance improvements to both long and short running queries. Again, this is 100% compatible with open source Spark API, and your workloads would run as is. These are just query optimization techniques. Another improvement that has been added to EMR runtime is on data prefetch. This feature allows to prefetch the data to better utilize the CPU, as seen from the graph here. So if you look at performance optimizations, it falls into 4 categories. Configuration changes, where we have done optimizations on CPU disk ratios, driver executor configurations, and much more. Planning optimization bucket, which includes improvements like dynamic partition pruning, join reordering, and more. Query execution bucket, which includes improvements like data prefetch, code gen, adaptive query execution, and more. And job startup bucket, which includes eager executor allocation, scheduling optimizations, task allocation, and much more. Newer versions of EMR from version 5.28 onwards run Spark much faster than the previous versions, and when you switch to a newer version, you automatically get these improvements and benefits. You will automatically see job runtimes improve, which will lead to cost reduction. So this was my short presentation on Amazon EMR runtime for Apache Spark, and thank you for your time today.